What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your girl Sean here, and I just wanted to come to you today and shoot this quick video. I am doing this video from my phone because I wanted to share something with you that I started sharing about a week ago. And it's this Cash App system, folks. If you guys haven't got involved in this Cash App system, you are missing out. Now, the reason for this video is because last week, or last month rather, one of the apps had a great promotion. If you referred 7 people to the program, simply just downloading an app and making a deposit, you got $750 as a bonus. 7 people, just refer 7 people, and you got $750. That's not including the money you got for downloading the app as well. So for the month of June, it's been downgraded a little bit, but they came back, and I want to show you guys exactly what the promotion was. All right, so I'm going to go into the app. Let's see, find it here. It's called Capital. All right, now look right here, folks. Give and get 10. So simply means that if I share this with you, I get $10, you get $10. But let's see what it says when you click the invite friends. Look at that, folks. Give and get 10. Plus, refer 5 friends this month and earn a $500 bonus towards your goals. Listen, folks, this is free money. Not only are you getting $10 and the person that you refer get $10, but you do that 5 times and you've got an extra $500, folks. So if you need cash today, you got a smartphone, let your smartphone be your walking ATM, folks. Stop saying you can't make any money. It's right here, folks. If you would like more information, you want to know exactly how to download this app, get back with me. I'll be more than glad to share the link with you. And let's go out there now. Let's go learn more, folks. This promo runs for the entire month of June, folks. And read it, how it works. Each time a friend signs up through your referral link and completes a deposit, we'll reward you both $10. In addition, earn $500 for referring 5 friends to Capital for this month. Come on, folks. Again, it's easy money. How many friends do you have? Can you refer at least 5 friends? Let's go out here and let's kill this for the month of June. If you like this link, you want to know all about the Cash App system that we got going on, folks, get back with me and let's make this money. Okay, guys? Until the next video. Peace.